Aloha guys, this is Hawaii's Only. We're at the beach. We'll be heading out there past the channel. We're gonna try and fish for some eel today. Nice one, bro.
Oh, yeah. Go. Don't let it. Go. Don't touch it. Oh, nice one, boy. Yeah. Ooh, stick bait. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
So we only scale the back and the belly because we're gonna fillet the fish and we're gonna take the meat off. So you don't need to scale the whole fish, just where we're gonna make our cuts with the knife. I just like to do that so it doesn't dull my knife and so that we don't get scales in the meat. So we're just gonna fillet the fish. It doesn't have to be a pretty fillet because we're gonna scrape out all the meat. So this fish is called eel, also known as bonefish. For everybody up in Florida, this recipe is for you because you guys always let this fish go. I'll show you guys how to turn this into a 5-star meal. So when you're cooking at the beach, sand is like the best abrasive. Cleans off all your cutting boards and knives and stuff. You don't need soap or anything. You just gotta give it a scrub. Good to go. So this one, it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients: green onion, inamona, the chili pepper water, and then this dried shrimp. So for the dried shrimp, you can actually get this at any Asian market. You can use dry cuttlefish, dry squid, or dry octopus, but I like the dry shrimp. The meats of this shrimp. So everybody's got their own style. Some people leave it really chunky. Some people mince it. I like it just like kind of like a medium. So really what it is for, it's texture, yeah. Okay, so this, because it's dried, it's really hard. So I move it into a container. And then we're gonna kind of marinate or soak it in the chili pepper water just to get it hydrated, and that way you don't break your jaw. And this is the homemade chili pepper water. I take Hawaiian chili peppers, boil it down, add salt, and that's it. No vinegar, no garlic, no ginger, no limu, just chili pepper, water, salt, that's it. And it's really spicy. That's gonna kind of cruise, and then we have our Lomi oil here. We add in some chili pepper water. A little bit of Hawaiian salt. Okay, so this is important. And when you get oil, this is fresh. You have to use salt with the water, in this case chili pepper water and salt, to help to get the texture going. The oil is just kind of, it's gonna soak up water. And then what we're gonna look for is a nice sticky texture. So we can already see the salt is what gives it this texture. Without it, it's gonna be a cloudy, kind of slimy goop. So you need to kind of get this, you can already feel it, it's kind of getting this texture, this stickiness. Okay, so my chopsticks are getting difficult to stir. So what we're gonna do is add in a little bit of water, so you can tell it's sticky. You see it's, yeah, so we're gonna add in a little bit of water. Now, if you wanted your oil super thick, which is how I like my oil, you can actually just leave it just like this. For baby luau's or big parties, what they'll do is they'll add in a lot of water to kind of stretch it out. Kind of similar to poi, but for this one, I'm just gonna add in a little bit of water. And then so it breaks it down, and then it's gonna start to get sticky once again. And the second time it gets sticky, that's when it's ready. So in Florida, they catch a lot of this fish. It's called bonefish. The fly fishermen love this fish because it's a really good fighting fish. And after they catch it, they release it. And in Florida, they get up to like 10, 15 pounds, really, really big. Because nobody really eats them. So for all you people in Florida, this is how you make bonefish. The reason why they put them back is because most people, the way they eat their fish is they cook it. So if you were to cook this fish, there's literally like hundreds, maybe even thousands of bones, hence the name bonefish. So our inamona is gonna go in. We can add in our chili pepper. perfect thing to eat with Lomi o eel is poi. So I bought this at Chef Zone. It's, I don't know who makes it, but it's like shucks, there's a brand. And they make all this really nice wood. I just got this, yeah. They make all this really nice wood dishes, utensils and everything. Big problem in Hawaii, flies. So this is a perfect container. You can bring this to your football party or to your potluck, and then there you go.